Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's PostgreSQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up streaming replication in PostgreSQL 16 step-by-step process on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. This is the latest release of the Ubuntu 24.04 long time support. So first thing we want to know, what is the PostgreSQL replication and what is the use of that. So the process of copying the data from a PostgreSQL database server to another server is called Postgres replication. Postgres server database replication means we have two databases. One database is the Postgres master and another is the Postgres slave. So from one server to another server we are getting the data, that is called replication. So source database server is usually called the master server, and whereas the database server receiving the copies data is called the replica server. Means first is my master server, then second is my replica server. So in this video we will see how to set up the streaming replication in PostgreSQL 16 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Okay. So here streaming replication is done by replication slab, and database server is configured to connect to the master and primary server, which stream WAL records to the standby as they generated without waiting for the WAL file to be filled. And by default streaming replication is asynchronous, where data is returned to the standby server after the transaction has been committed on the primary server. This means that there is a small delay between the communicating a transaction in the master server and the change becoming visible to the standby server. So let's start the configuration. So we have a two server. One is the PG master, that IP is then 192.168.32 and .128, and another is the PG slab, that is 192.168.32 and 129. Let me connect both the server. So I'm running servers in my VMware workstation. There is a PG and there is a PG master and PG slab. So let me log in one by one. PG master, IP A. Let me check the IP. This is 192.168.32.128. Master's IP is this one. Similarly, I'll just log in with the slab server. Admin at that 123. I'm putting the default password. IPA. So there is a IP is 129. Okay, 192.168.32.129. So both the servers I'm going to connect with the putty. So I'm using the putty here, or I can use the command also, cmd ssh. Let me some bigger screen, ssh, then pg master at the rate 192.168.32.128. So connected with the master. Let me go to the sudo su. So PG master is connected. Similarly, I'll connect with the slave. Side by side I am going to put. So same command I will do that, ssh at the rate, pg slab at the rate 192.168.32.129. This is this is 128 128 and this one is 129. I'm going to change the color of background color so that easily we can recognize the server. So let me change the for the slab. Go to the properties, colors, and there is a screen. I'm going to put this one. Let me check how it looks. Yeah, so looks better, I think. Let me check, change the this text color, font, and font color is what is that? I'm not able to see that. Let me check one by one. So color, and this one screen background, screen text. So screen text I'm putting black. Okay, black is not visible. Let me check, change some other color so easily we can recognize. White, and background color, no, yeah, this also seems better. Okay. So here this one my master, this one my slave. So first thing, let me check with the internet connection, apt hyphen get. Let me update the server. Both the side I am doing the same, apt hyphen get update. Okay, both the things are done. So I'm going to install PostgreSQL. So there is a command apt. If you are using, I am already in sudo. So if you are not in sudo, then just use the sudo. Just let me clear the screen. One by one I am going to do, or okay, not a problem. You can manage this one. Screen is visible, or okay, no. So I'm putting more bigger. This is my master server, pg master. Here I'll run sudo apt, then install PostgreSQL, and with that I'm just going to use the some contribution library also. So PostgreSQL that contrib. Okay. So let me click on enter, click on Y, let it install. So similarly I'll do with the slab also. Here also same command, sudo apt install PostgreSQL dash contrib. Okay. So installation is going on. So Ubuntu, this is a release, latest release. This is a release on, I think, 25th of April. So you just install the PostgreSQL in the both the server. So let me check. This is the master server. You can see here also this is a master server. Let me check with the Postgres. So sudo -u PostgreSQL Postgres. I'm just connecting. I want to connect with the user. Sudo -u postgres. Why this is not taking? Installation completed. Let me check with the sudo -i -u postgres. Okay, so I'll connect with the this one sudo -i -u postgre, and here I'll just connect with the PSQL. So PSQL. So this is connected with the Postgres, which is SQL, and here I just list out the databases. Let me something small. So PSQL. So these are the databases: Postgres, template 0, template 1. So three databases are there. Let me check with the Slab server. This, yeah, already this is also installed. So sudo -i -u user postgres, connected with the PSQL. So slash list. So here also I'm getting so three databases, 1 2 3. Now let's start the configuration for. So this is my master server. Now I'm going to start the configuration. First thing, I will just go with my Postgres user, and no root user. I'll go with the root user. So exit with that. So clear. So this is the root pg master. Here I will go the path with the postgres dot config file. So postgres dot config file will be in my. Let me go to the path etc. Then there is a PostgreSQL. Then my Postgres version is 16. Then I'll go with the main folder. Here I can able to see there is a PostgreSQL.config file is there. So open this file here. Open this file, and just I'll search the listing address. Okay, not able to search. Okay, let me go one by one. I'll find it. Approx line number 60. I'll get it. Yeah, this one. So I'll just remove this one. Instead of local host, I'll use star. So this is completed. Now I have closed the file. Next, I'm going to create the replicator, user replicator for the replication. So here I'll just go log in with the PostgreSQL. So sudo -u postgresql, sorry, postgres and psql. Let me log in that. Yeah, this is logged in. Now I'm going to create user replicator, replicator with replication encrypted with password, and I'm going to put here password. So I'm going to put the password admin@123. So admin@123. Let me enter that. Some syntax error. Okay, putting double quotes. Okay, let me put the single quotes. So create role. So role is created. Okay. Now I'm going to insert this one into my HBA file, host based authentication file. So there is a file pg.hba.config. So vi yes, pg.hba.config. Let me open this. Here in last, let me skip this one again. Let me open with the putty. That will be, I think, quite easy. No, okay, we'll just work with this one only. That's not an issue. So again I'm opening. So here is the file. Not able to see properly. Let me open putty. One 168.32.128 pg master. Okay, let me change the font size if possible for me. Restore change setting. Appearance, behavior, appearance. In appearance only, I think. Where is the font? Black use. Okay, there is a font, so I'm putting 20. Yeah, seems better. So clear. Now I'm going to go to the path. So there is a cd etc postgre 16 and there is a main. Here is the file is the pg.hba.conf. So I'm putting vi pg.http.com and go to the last. Here I'll add host replicator. Okay, sorry, for the replication, no. So replication, and here user is my user is replicator. I have IP, so 192. Mistake again, I'll do. So here I'll just insert host replication replicator, and IP is 192.168.32. I'll put the slab server, so that server IP is 129/24. Then here I'll use the message digit 5 MD5 hashing method. So escape, then control U or WQ, right and quit, enter. So I have added the user replicated for that. Now I'm going to use the command to restart the my Postgres server. So command is that sudo systemctl and restart PostgreSQL. So started. Here also I can check the status. So my server is active and running. Okay. So next, now I'm going to use the Postgres user, and I want to take the backup of the main folder, main data directory folder. So there is a cd. So path is will be where lib postgres, and there is a version automatic. Okay, version is not coming 16. Then here will be the main. Okay, so this path, there is some files are there. Some files are there. So what I'll do, so same file I need to the create into the my slab server. So now I'm going to move to the slab server. So let me open one more new session 172.16.20. 192.168.32.129 pg slab sudo su. Then here I'm going to use, and here also I'll change the size, change setting, the appearance, change this one. I'm making 20. Okay, and if there is a background color is there, then I'll change font and default background. I'm going to modify into red. Let me check how red looks. Not good. Appearance, color, background, modify this one, and I'll take some. Seems better. I'm going to change the font color. black. Color black, and I want to put something different color. Let it black, white, and background color I'll just change something bluish. Yeah, better than previous. So this side my master is running and this side my slab is running. So this is my slab server. So here what I'll do, I'll just stop the PostgreSQL. So for the stopping, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. So let me check the status again. So this is inactive or dead. So means that my PostgreSQL is stopped now. Now I'm going to go to the su minus postgres. So Postgres user, I move to the Postgres user. Here I'll just copy the my main file. Means let me go to the file just now shown on the master, PostgreSQL 16 main. So these are the files. Look at this. These are the files. I'll just create a copy of that. So cp minus r, the where lab PostgreSQL 16. So I'll just copy the library and library main file. So PostgreSQL 16 and then main this file to where lab PostgreSQL 16 main underscore old. So the main file is moved to main old. Let me check. See, main file copy to main old. Now I am going to remove the main file. rm minus rf. So I am going to remove the main file. Let me check now. So only I have now main old file. Okay. So next what I'll do, I just copy just now shown you this file, same library in Postgres main file. I'll copy the file from the my pg master to slab. So here is the command pg underscore base backup, then minus h host IP is 192.168.32.128 minus d directory, then where leave Postgres 16 main to replicator user minus p minus v minus r minus x minus x, then extreme, then minus C minus S, and then I'll give the slot 1. Let me enter. Yeah, base copy initiated and all the files are copied. See, you can able to see base backup is completed. So these are the file. Let me check copied or not, waiting for the checkpoint. 213 files and waiting. Now let me check that. ls minus lt where leave postgres and so the files are copied. Previously we removed this folder, and before we took the backup to main underscore alt, and now we are copied from the master server. So copied here. You can a replication slab will run the hot standby mode if your hot standby parameter is set to on. If Postgres config in PostgreSQL.config, there is a standby signal is there file present in the data directory. Now I am going to connect with the master. Okay, and here I am just going to check with the slots. So su minus postgres here psql PostgreSQL. Here I just write the command select extract from pg replication slots. So see, just now we created slot 1, and you can able to see the slot 1. Okay, slot 1 is there. So everything working fine up to now. Now I'm going to start the slab server. So let me open the slab server. So command is for the starting the slab server systems ctl, then start PostgreSQL. Okay, authentication completed. Now let me check the status. So now my secondary server is slab is on now. Yeah. Now I'm going to check the wall receiver. So here I'm just going to connect with the PostgreSQL. So sudo minus u minus postgres. I'm already in Postgres user. Why should I'm going there? PSQL. Okay, Postgres. Now I'm just select restrict from pg state wall receiver. See, you are able to see there is a wall receiver. Slot 1 is there. This is the actually this one is slab server. So here replicator host 1 I'm getting from 1 to 128. The port number I'm just using the default port, and from the path everything is correct now. Now what I'll do, I'll just try to create a database here. So create database slab 1, enter. You cannot execute create database in the read only transaction, means that we are not allowed to create the database in the slab server. Now what I'll do, I'll just let me check with the list of the databases. We have the 3 rows, 1 2 3 databases we have, and similarly I'll just check with the master. Here also I have a 3. Now what I'll do, I'll just create one database. So create database stream replication stream. Okay. Enter database created. Let me check. There is a count is increased by 1. Now 4 stream database is there, and in right side also, here also I am getting 4 stream database is already there. Let me connect with the database. So control C stream. Now I am connected with the stream. Let dt. So we don't have any relation, means we don't have any tables now. So what I'll do, I'll just create one table here. So first let me connect with the stream. Now I'm connected with the stream. Now I'll just create the database table. Create table. In table name I'm just creating users. Okay, so next id, serial, primary key, name, varchar, I'm giving hundreds, age, int. I'm going to close this one and semicolon. So table is created. Now let me dt. So one table is there, the table name is user, and I'm created there. Let me check with the slab. So see, automatically a table is also replicated there. Next I'm going to let me run one query. So select asterisk from users. So we don't have any row. Let me insert the data in my master server. So insert into users, then name, age, then values. Here I'll put Chirag and 35. So let me check, data is inserted. See, so whatever I will insert, automatically it will reflect with the slab server. So let me insert one more. 23. I'm just adding some other name, insert it. So let me run the query. See, automatically it is coming to the my secondary server. Next, so this part is completed. Now I have to just check with the some other thing. I'll just check control Q again. Let me connect, and same thing I'll do with the secondary server. So let me check with my this the means synchronization type. So I'll just check with that. So select asterisk from pg state replication. So this is the streaming and asynchronous, ASYNC. Okay. Just I'll change this one. Alter system set SYN synchronous standby names to so system altered. Now let me exit this page, exit, and let me start the server. Restart Postgres, sudo let me connect with that. Now I am running with the same command. Now this is changed to synchronous. Okay, so both the way we can check. So this is for the master server and slab server. I'll check the status. So for the checking the slab server status, I'll just write select extract from pg state wall receiver. So here you can see see all the streaming and all the whatever we are coming from there. It will see channel perform, database name, replication, and this one, and all the related information we will get. And there is a big documentation. I'll just submit the documentation. You go one by one, step by step, the same thing I have done. So in this video we have learned how to set up streaming replication in PostgreSQL 16 step by step on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. This is the latest version. I'm just working with that, and this is successfully we did. And whatever the we are doing, the left database means master database automatically replicated to slab database. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.